What's up, y'all? Let's go to the Dollar Tree. I got a list today of things that I need to get for some projects that I want to do at home, and I just kind of wanted to take a look around and see what they have. I kind of started shopping before I recorded, so I'm just showing y'all what I got in my basket right now. And I love my Dollar Tree because the decor is always so cute, and I always see something I haven't seen before, like these floating shelves. These canvases, they were very cute for a small space, something like a reading nook or a bathroom. I love the tea light candles because I am obsessed with wax melts. Like, I used to be a candle girly, like I always have to have a new scent in candles, but wax melts are just where it's at, and they cheaper. And we're just gonna look through the store and see what's cute. But I'm sticking to my list. I never see these, y'all, but I was so happy to see them this time. This is my favorite section right now because I am currently organizing and unpacking my whole house. So these are great for like storing stuff in the cabinets and stuff like that. And I'm finishing off that haul pantry that I started on my last video. If you haven't seen it, go check that out. So I added some more of those. And let's just do a review. Got me some flip-flops. If you do not shop at Dollar Tree for flip-flops, you need to grab some. They are so cute and so affordable. I got some of these to store up my steam mop, broom, dustpan, stuff like that. And then, of course, like I told you, 4 little sectional things and a step stool because I'm short. So these are the new 4 ones, and then I'm just going to add the other ones. And I'm not going to do too much talking, y'all, but I'm just going to let y'all see how I organize it. This is where we left off the last video, and we're just going to organize it a little bit more from where we are now and make it look a little bit better. So one by one, I just went in the haul cabinet and grabbed the buckets. And basically, I'm just looking at what's inside the buckets. I want to separate them by like daily use items like toothpaste, toothbrush, razor, stuff like that. I want to have my scents in one, my lotions in another one, shampoo, conditioner, skincare in another one, you know, stuff like that. So that's basically what you see me doing here. Just looking at what the products are and putting them in the bucket that I think would fit those needs best.
I pull up, roll the window down it.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it all like this. I wanted to see this. Wanted to make it up. I'm faded off, boy. It's just far too much when it ain't working. How this time
Okay, so now I'm just putting them back into the hallway storage in the order that I think I'm going to use them. So I did like my toothbrush, toothpaste, and then skincare, body sprays, period items, stuff like that. On the top, I did my medicine baskets, and I took down that mirror because I think I'm going to hang it on the door, but I don't know yet, y'all. It failed because it was too heavy. And now you just see me adding in the rest of the buckets. And here they are. This is what they look like. Everything is pretty much organized now and not so cluttered. I liked the baskets before, but I didn't buy enough, so I had to like stuff a whole bunch of stuff in there. So yeah, here we are. I still have room on the other end at the bottom. This is an old school dirty clothes hamper, but I might repurpose it for something else. And yeah, next time we're gonna go through here and see what we could do with the extra space.
I want to show you something. But I think you're gonna tell. If you don't, you can come over.